Assalamualaikum dear viewers, this Samsung washing machine. Customer has called me. They said cannot draining water and cannot dry also. So let's see. First we turn it on, then we set it dry or spin. We set it to the spin. Yeah, then we start it. Then we have to wait just for a few seconds. Yeah, we have to see water is draining or not. Yeah, water is not draining. Yeah, still water is inside. So yeah, so that means our problem is or maybe problem is the drain motor. Yeah, dear viewers, so I have turned off the power switch. Now I'll remove. Yeah, this is our drain motor. Yeah, then I'll remove this power cable. Yeah, then I'll set our meter proof to connector. Yeah, I have connected the two connector or meter proof, and we have to see our AC volt present or not for drain motor. Yeah, then we have to turn it on, then just set to the spin mode, power button, then set to the spin mode. And then press the start button. Yeah, if everything is okay, we should see. Yeah, we have basic voltage present. Yeah, AC volt present. So that means it's spoiled the drain motor. Our main PCB is okay. Problem is the drain motor. Okay, dear viewers, I'll remove the drain motor. Then video will be back. Yeah, dear viewers, I have removed from there the drain motor. Yeah, this is the new and this is the old. This is the new drain motor. Okay, dear viewers, I'll fix it there. Then video will be back. Okay, dear viewers, I fixed there. There was two screws only. This is the one screws, and on top of it there is two screws only. So I'll fix the power cable. Yeah, then I'll extend it the washing machine. Then sorry dear viewers, I'm doing a long video, that's why it's getting little bit problem. Dear viewers, if you have any question, just you can comments. Yeah, I'll try to answer it. And then I'll turn it on and press the power button, then set to the spin mode, press the start button. See, little bit water has come because inside there is no water. That's why. So I'll put little bit water inside, then video will be back for testing. Yeah, I have put some of water inside. Yeah, let's set it spin mode. If everything is fine, then water should drain. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. So it's draining fine. Yeah. So if water is draining, so it will spin also. The drum will spin and cloth will be dry. Yeah. So Alhamdulillah, this video has been successful. So it's working fine, so we have to wait until few seconds for spinning. So thank you so much for watching my video, dear viewers. It's working fine. Yeah, it's spinning also. So this this work has been successful. So if you see same problem, just you can do yourself, you can repair by yourself. Okay, dear viewers, see it's spinning, there is noisy. If I yeah, see it's spinning, but if I open the door, then will be automatic close door error. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.